Welcome to the channel, everyone. I am super excited to show you Hidemium and Proxy4U. Let's see how they work.
All right, so you want to browse the internet, but you don't want to be seen. Or you want to browse the internet and you have multiple Facebook, eBay accounts. You have multiple accounts everywhere, TikTok, and you just keep getting banned, or you want to miss that ban hammer, and you don't want to be like your friends who had 6 of their profiles banned. What do you do? I would recommend the best way to do it is anonymity, and that is to use rotating proxies. Now, how do you do that? I'm going to show with Hidemium and with Proxy4U exactly how you can do that so you can make money, be safe, and best of all, you can allow a VA or somebody else, a team account, to help manage this for you. So this is the #1 trusted browser for making money online. Hidemium right here. So instead of getting generic anti-detect browsers that don't work, and let's face it, we've all tried those, you just try a VPN and then Upwork or Facebook still bans you and you're not having a good time. Hidemium, you get hundreds of accounts, you get the key to success. So forget about worrying about getting your accounts blocked because you get a huge network of accounts and a success rate over 80%. That's huge. So your browser fingerprints are consistent, and you get the automation revolution right here. Save time, increase success. It's super lightning fast with rock solid performance. You get thousands of profiles and the anti-detect right here. I'd say that's the biggest thing, but you can browse profiles. You can get your team in on this, so you have a VA. You can utilize that too, and it allows for seamless control over multiple profiles. The best part is you get multi-account advertising. So make 1 million Google accounts, 1 million Facebook accounts, whatever it is that you want. You can do this for e-commerce. You can do this for cryptocurrency. You can do this if you're an agency, and it's simple to use. You get 24/7 support, and that's how Hidemium works. That's the best part. Now, what you want to do is go ahead and log in, or if not, create an account. You can just click register here, and it's just that simple. So after you get Hidemium set up, which we can see right here, and create the account, then we'll have to do an email confirmation. So we just come to our Gmail, Hidemium browser right here. Now, it expires quite soon, so you want to be up on top of this, and boom, you click verify. And we'll have the ability to download it. Now you need to get operating system that's best for you. I'm running Windows, but if you're on Mac, you want to make sure that you have that. You can also download it from here, the Google Drive, and that's as simple as that to get Hidemium set up. They'll give you a zip file. You want to unzip it and just click install right here. Then here we'll need to use our registration email, so make sure you remember that because that's going to be important. That's why we registered beforehand, and now we can go ahead and log in. Now we need to add a profile, so we have the UI here. For the software, we just click on add profiles. Now you might not know where to get a profile. I'll show you, but first we want to go ahead and click on create profile. So we have a profile ready. So here we can see a profile. Now we can start to use this, or we can make our own profile, which I'll show you here. Click on profile. We click on your proxy. So here we can set up our own proxy. So you can do those things, but how do you get your own proxy? That's a good question, right? You need format proxy, IP address, all that type of stuff. We're going to come here to Proxy4U. That's the best place to find proxies. So that's proxy4u.com. Now here at Proxy4U, we can get all the proxies we need, whether it be residential, whether it be data center, or whether it be mobile. Residential is like a computer or desktop, and we know it's a verified one. Data center, exactly how it sounds, or mobile proxies. And the best part is that you can pay as you go when you get started and get a free trial. So that will allow us to get all the proxies we need. All you got to do is log in here and create an account just like we did with the other website. So do all this fun stuff, log in. It's 24/7 support, pay as you go, and you can log in right here. And for this tutorial, I'll use residential proxies, but you could use any other type of proxies, so that's fine. Here we have Proxy4U, and then I can pick a country. So I got a list of countries here. I'm feeling Brazilian today, so we're going to do Brazil, right here. We got the configuration here. So what I would do, you can do it 2 different ways. You can grab all this stuff from here. That's more complicated. Or you can just grab the actual stuff from here. So we have the login, password, proxy host, and port. So we can go back to Hidemium. So we can see all this, HTTP, so I'm not going to change that, but we need the IP address and port. So let's simplify this. We need the IP address and port. So I'm going to grab the port. I'm going to hit my Windows key. I'm going to come here, go to port, boom. Then I need IP address. So it can be IP address or proxy host. I'm going to come here, here. Then I'm not going to worry too much about proxy optimize. You can keep that on. Check before proxy starts is fine. And then we're going to have a username and password. So I'm going to grab my username. Could be my, and I'm going to grab my password. And then I have my proxy here. You can do proxy free, HYDIUM proxy, all that type of stuff, detailed proxy, but you can create and run profile here. You can also, enter whatever details, for cookies, hardware, and all that stuff, and I can create and run this. So now it just runs, and we can see start right here. We can open up a browser and see HYDIUM right there, and that's as simple as that. You can start browsing. You can go on Facebook. You can make 1 million Facebook accounts now, eBay. The sky's the limit online, and you can increase your income, so have fun doing that. I hope you found this video helpful. I hope your money making is a lot more anonymous right now, and your online experience is. Hide from those big servers trying to ban you, and I hope the information was easy to follow. If it was, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to know when I post more videos. Questions or comments, let me know down below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the